Winklink Holders doing a very big mistake on 28 May today, my friends. Please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Absolutely, my friends, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so you will get a profit from the awakening. Keep watch this video for more details. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. First of all, we discuss the latest update of the Winklink, and after that we discuss the Holders Big Mistake, my friends. Let's move on, and first of all we look the current price of the Winklink in the market. 0.00057 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Winklink in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the Winklink, absolutely, my friends. Now at this time the last 1 hour price change is positive, but I think this price will change as for short time, my friends. Temporary, that is the temporary jump of the Winklink coin. After some time, after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, the price again falls down, my friends. Why price falls down? It is due to the end of month. As you know, it is the end of month, and that is why the price of the Winklink is falls down, my friends. Last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. From yesterday, the price of the Winklink are again start now. Let's see the price chart. What's going on, my friends? You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Winklink coin. I mean the May month price chart you are watching now on the screen. You can see here in the start of May the price of the Winklink coin is falls down, my friends. The whole month the price falls down occur in the Winklink. And now in the last half month they take a jump, but now the currently condition is again negative, as I show you that the last 1 week, last 1 day price change is again negative. My friends, a holders is doing at this time, they decide to sell, my friends. That is the biggest mistake of holders, because you can see that is the last 1 month price change chart, and if as you can see the negative 60.34% the price falls down occurs in the last 1 month of the Winklink. So that is the big mistake of holders doing, decide to sell, because you are in the loss, because the price change is negative, so you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, my friends. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss because the price is negative. On the other side, if you decide to hold, my friends, so maybe in the future, maybe tomorrow, maybe yes, in the start of June, they will take a huge pump, so you will get profit from the Winklink. On the other side, if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Winklink? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.